Hello guys, today we'll be reviewing and unboxing All Engines Go Duck, a returning in character from the original show. This is quite surprising because everyone has been in knowing that Duck's going to return. So let's open him up and see him on the trap. Ducks. I'm just going to open the box very, very carefully. Yeah, I'm just... Sorry, Duck. I have to unbox you. This is so exciting. Duck's returning. Return to the show. Trash out. Here's the duck himself. Now that the unboxing's done, let's look at the engine. So here is Duck. Here's the face. I kind of like his face. He's very detailed. He has his number 8, his GWR lettering. He has handrails, and he has lots of detail. He has his dome. I don't know what this part is on the engine, and his funnels. His funnels going a wrong way though. Oh, backside. His backside isn't painted. Somehow Duck's wheels are yellow when they're supposed to be black in the original show. There's the bottom. It says Duck. Ducky. My final thoughts on this Duck. He's a very nice model, very detailed. Happy to see him return to the show. Oh, well, he's not in the show yet. His toy has been released. I can't wait to see Donald or Douglas in motorized form or in push along. My final thoughts on this model, that it's very nice, very detailed, and he has a very nice face. The only thing I don't like is his wheels. His wheels are yellow when they're supposed to be black. Yuck. Very unrealistic for an engine. Maybe if I get the push along Salty, I'll screw and take his wheels off and then put it on Duck. But that makes Salty like his prototype. He poster. Now. Anyways, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.